You turn to Article 8. I noticed over the weekend that the Home Secretary said that there needed to be a review in the light of what she described as significant concerns around asylum and immigration cases. Can you spell out what that means for us? You said that there can be change.
There has been a rise in, as this government has taken on an unprecedented backlog in the asylum and immigration system, is a number of decisions that are at least being reported of first-tier tribunals making decisions purportedly on the basis of Article 8 that are capable of suggesting that it is not being applied properly and appropriately. And so I think the Home Secretary is entirely right to conduct a review about the application of Article 8 in the context of asylum and immigration. Now, the Home Secretary will set the parameters of that. We completely understand that people are concerned, so are we. We are determined to ensure that the immigration and asylum system is as robust, efficient, and fair as it can be. 24,000 people with no right to be here have been returned. That's the highest over a 9-month period since we took office. That's the highest 9-month period for 8 years. Enforced returns are up by 21% since July, and there is a 16% increase in the removal of foreign national offenders. So we are getting on with the job. And there is clearly a lot of misinformation that is being whipped up in the context of asylum and immigration, in particular Article 8. I can give you one example. Many of you would have heard banded around the idea that the courts have allowed a foreign national offender to stay here because his child will miss Chicken McNuggets. And that is doing the rounds. What is not doing the rounds is that case went to the upper tribunal, who categorically rejected that as an Article 8 argument. They rejected the claim. In order to ensure that we deal with the backlog that we've inherited under the asylum and immigration system, in order to calibrate our policies and practices so that we have got an asylum and immigration system that works for everybody, we are going to have to work with our friends in Europe overseas.